Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is explore yourselves, banking and general knowledge, etc. Jai Hind, your daily boost. Highlights from Indian and global history, along with Tithi, Nakshatra, major global events, and notable birth and death anniversary of 14th March 2026, Saturday. Bengali date, 29 ফাল্গুন 1432। As per Venimadosil Ponjika, today's Tithi is Krishna Dasami and up to 0608 hours and after that Krishna Ekadashi. Today's Nakshatra, Purvasara Nakshatra and up to 0127 hours and after that Uttarasara Nakshatra. Today is 73rd day of the year. There are then 292 days left in 2026. Today is 11th Saturday of 2026. Today is Karadayan Numbu. Karadayan Nambu is a Tamil festival observed on 14th March 2026, marking the transition from the Tamil month Masi to Panguni. On this day, women fast and pray to goddess Gauri, tying a sacred yellow thread called Saradu for the long life of their husbands or for an ideal life partner. The ritual includes offering Karadai Adai, a special rice cake, along with butter as part of the traditional prayer. Today is Genius Day. Genius Day is observed on March 14 to celebrate creativity, intelligence, and innovative thinking across various fields. The date coincides with the birthday of Albert Einstein and with Pi Day, Pi 14, symbolizing the scientific brilliance and curiosity. The day encourages people to appreciate exceptional talent, promote intellectual growth, and develop problem-solving skills. Today is Pi Day. Pi Day is celebrated annually on March 14, Pi 14, to honor the mathematical constant pi, whose first three digits are 3.14. The celebration was first organized in 1988 by Larry Shaw at the Exploratorium Science Museum in the San Francisco, California, United States. The day promotes interest in mathematics, science, and education. Today is International Day of Action for Rivers. The International Day of Action for Rivers is observed every year on March 14 to raise awareness about the protection and restoration of rivers worldwide. The day unites communities and environmental groups to oppose harmful water projects, promote sustainable water management, and highlight threats such as pollution and climate change to global river ecosystems. Today is International Day of Mathematics. The International Day of Mathematics is celebrated every year on March 14 to highlight the importance of mathematics in science, technology, and everyday life. The day was proclaimed by UNESCO in 2019 and coincides with Pi Day, promoting global interest in mathematical learning, research, and innovation. Today is National Learn About Butterflies Day. The National Learn About Butterflies Day is observed annually on March 14 to promote the study, appreciation, and conservation of butterflies. The day highlights the importance of butterflies as vital pollinators and encourages activities such as planting native gardens, creating habitats, and learning about their life cycle and spring migration. Today is National Potato Chip Day. The National Potato Chip Day is celebrated annually on March 14 to honor the popular crunchy snack enjoyed worldwide. It is linked to the 1953 story of George Graham, who is said to have created thin, fried potato slices for a customer, leading to the invention of potato chips. The day encourages people to enjoy different flavors of chips and recognize their place in snack culture. Today is Science Education Day. The Science Education Day is observed annually on March 14 to recognize the importance of science education and inspire curiosity among learners of all ages. The day highlights the role of teachers, hands-on learning, and STEM education in developing scientific thinking and understanding the role of science in everyday life. Today is International Ask a Question Day. The International Ask a Question Day is observed annually on March 14, the birthday of Albert Einstein, to promote curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge. The day encourages people to ask who, what, where, when, why, and how questions, fostering learning and critical thinking and open discussion without fear of sounding ignorant. Today is Professional Speakers Celebration Day. The Professional Speakers Celebration Day is observed annually on March 14 to recognize and appreciate professional speakers who inspire, educate, and motivate audiences through effective communication. The day highlights the importance of public speaking, knowledge sharing, and leadership in personal development, business, and education. Today is National Children's Craft Day. National Children's Craft Day is celebrated annually on March 14 to encourage creativity and learning through hands-on art and craft activities among children. Observed during National Craft Month, the day promotes using various materials from recycled items to craft kits to develop imagination, fine motor skills, and self-confidence in young minds. Today is White Day. White Day is celebrated annually on March 14, one month after Valentine's Day, mainly in Japan, South Korea, and other East Asian countries. On this day, men traditionally give return gifts, open white themed chocolates, candies, or presents to women who gave them gifts on February 14, symbolizing gratitude and affection. Today is National Save a Spider Day. The National Save a Spider Day is observed annually on March 14 to promote awareness about the importance of spiders in the ecosystem. The day encourages people to avoid killing spiders and instead locate them outdoors, recognizing their vital role in controlling pest populations and maintaining ecological balance. Today is Bake Pie in Solidarity Day. The Bake Pie in Solidarity Day is observed annually on March 14, coinciding with Pie Day. The day promotes unity, kindness, and compassion by encouraging people to bake and share homemade pies with others, symbolizing friendship, community bonding, and support. Today is Crowdfunding Day. The crowdfunding day is observed annually on March 14 to raise awareness about raising funds from a large number of people, usually through online platforms to support causes, businesses, and creative projects. The day highlights the importance of community participation, transparency, and the use of social networks in helping entrepreneurs and individuals secure financial support. Today is National Genealogy Day. The Genealogy Day is observed on the second Saturday of March to encourage people to research their family history and ancestry. The day promotes exploring old records, photographs, and family stories to document lineage, honor ancestors, and preserve personal heritage for future generations. Today is International Fanny Pack Day. The International Fanny Pack Day is celebrated annually on the second Saturday of March to appreciate the practical and Red Cross Fanny Pack officially. The day was started in 2007 by Nick Ayers and also promotes charitable activities, encouraging people to wear fanny packs while supporting causes such as hunger relief and helping the homeless. Today is death anniversary of Mr. Karl Marx, 5th May 1818 to 14th March 1883. Karl Marx was a German philosopher, economist, and revolutionary socialist famous for developing the theory of Marxism, which analyzes society through class struggle and historical materialism. He is best known for writing the Communist Manifesto with Friedrich Engels and his major economic work, Das Kapital, which critiques capitalism. His ideas greatly influenced socialist and communist political movements around the world, making him one of the most influential thinkers in modern political and economic theory. Today is birth anniversary of Vishuddhananda Paramahansa, 14th March 1853 to 14th July 1937. Vishuddhananda Paramahansa was a renowned Indian yogi, mystic, and spiritual master famous for his deep knowledge of Tantra, Yoga, and Vedantic philosophy, popularly known as Gandha Baba. He was believed to possess mystical powers, especially the ability to manifest divine fragrances. Born in the Nadia district of Bengal, he attracted many followers, including scholars and scientists, through his teachings on self-realization. discipline, and spiritual awakening. Although widely respected as a spiritual guru, he was not associated with formal awards, but is remembered for his profound influence on spiritual seekers. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Paul Ehrlich, 14th March 1854 to 20th August 1915. Paul Ehrlich was a German physician and scientist famous for his pioneering work in immunology, hematology, and antimicrobial chemotherapy. He discovered salvarsan, the first effective drug for treating syphilis, and introduced the concept of the magic bullet in medicine. Ehrlich shared the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1908 with L.A. Mechnikov for their groundbreaking research on immunity. He is often called the father of immunology for his major contributions to modern medical sciences. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Albert Einstein, 14th March 1879 to 18th April 1955. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist famous for developing the theory of relativity and the mass energy equivalence formula E is equal to mc square, one of the most famous equations in science. He made major contributions to quantum theory, cosmology, and statistical mechanics. Einstein received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his discovery of the photoelectric effect, which greatly advanced modern physics. In 1999, he was honored as Time Person of the Century for his extraordinary impact on science and humanity. Today is death anniversary of Mr. William Alfred Fowler, 9th August 1911 to 14th March 1995. William Alfred Fowler was an American astrophysicist famous for his research on nuclear reactions in stars and formation of chemical elements in the universe. He co-authored the influential B2FH paper with Margaret Burbidge, Geoffrey Burbidge, and Fred Hoyle on stellar nucleosynthesis. Fowler was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1983 for his theoretical and experimental studies of nuclear reactions that explains how elements are formed inside stars. Today is death anniversary of Mr. Stephen William Hawking, 8th January 1942 to 14th March 2018. Stephen Hawking was a renowned British theoretical physicist and cosmologist famous for his research on black holes, and the concept of Hawking radiation. He also popularized complex science through the best-selling book, A Brief History of Time. Hawking received many prestigious honors, including the Presidential Medal of Freedom, USA, Prize in Physics, and the Albert Einstein Medal, and served as a Lucasian Professor of Mathematics at the University of Cambridge. He is remembered as a global symbol of scientific brilliance and perseverance. Your daily dose of wisdom ends here, but the journey never stops. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, subscribe, and share.